Welcome to Once Upon a Case. Because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. Let's break down one of the quirkiest cases in early American contract law. Kirksey v. Kirksey, decided way back in 1845. If you've ever wondered what happens when a promise feels like a contract but isn't quite, this is the story for you. Picture this. 1840s, deep in Alabama, Angelico Kirksey is recently widowed. She gets a letter from her late husband's brother. Let's call him Brother Kirksey. He offers her a place to live on his land. The letter says, "If you'll come down and see me, I'll let you have a place to raise your family." Sounds like a lifeline, right? She packs up her kids, leaves her home, and travels about 60 miles. No small feat in those days. She moves to Brother Kirksey's property. He gives her a house, he gives her land, but after a couple of years, he tells her to leave, just like that. "You broke your promise." So she sues, arguing his promise was a contract. She wants damages for being kicked out. The court had to decide, was Brother Kirksey's promise legally binding? Was it a contract or just a generous offer? The judges looked at something called consideration. That's legal talk for, did both sides exchange something of value? Angelico gave up her home and made the tough journey. But did Brother Kirksey get anything out of the deal? Surprisingly, the court said no. They ruled his promise was gratuitous, a gift, not a contract. Even though Angelico suffered a loss, the court said that wasn't enough. Brother Kirksey didn't get any benefit, so there was no consideration. So Angelico lost the case. The court basically said, a promise to make a gift isn't enforceable as a contract unless there's consideration, even if you rely on it or make big sacrifices. Why does this case still matter? It's a classic in law schools about the limits of promises and the importance of consideration. It shows not every promise, no matter how heartfelt or costly, creates a contract. But it also sparked debates about fairness. Some judges dissented, saying Angelico's sacrifice should count. Later, these ideas inspired doctrines like promissory estoppel, which sometimes let people enforce promises they've relied on even without traditional consideration. So next time someone offers you something big, remember Kirksey v. Kirksey. In the eyes of the law, not every promise is a contract. Thanks for tuning into this quick case breakdown. If you want more legal history made simple, hit that subscribe button.